Sanju, sorry I was little late in coming.
It's okay.
She's my friend Swara.
Hi Swara. I've heard a lot about you through Riya.
Me too. And Ria, what you told me about Sanju? Sanju is better than that. Yes, he is very nice. By the way, today she will also come with us.
That's really good. Tell me where we should go. I'll book a table.
Guys, first I need to drink water. I'm feeling so much thirsty.
I'll bring it.
You wait na, I will bring. Till that time you guys talk to
Okay.
each other. By the way, Sanju, what Rhea told me about you, you're much better than that.
Thank you.
By the way, how long have you two been together?
It's been 3 years.
3 years. And what Rhea has done for you in these 3 years?
What do you mean by that? I'm her boyfriend, so I'll do things for her. Why would she do things for me?
Nothing like this happen nowadays. And nowadays, even girls do a lot for boys. Now look at me. I like you. And if you will become my boyfriend, you will get everything what you want. You can live in my luxury flat. Whatever post you need in my company, you will get that. You can ride my luxury cars. See to it, become my boyfriend and leave this Ria.
Thank you very much for your proposal, but I cannot leave Riya at any cost.
Who leaves so good offer, yaar? Look, if you will live with me, your future is sorted. And if you will live with Ria, whole life you have to struggle, that's all.
It's okay. I'm also enjoying struggling with Riya.
Okay, you do one thing, give me your number. At least we can talk.
Sorry, I can't give you my number.
And if I need to talk to you about something, then?
Whatever you want to say, you tell it to Riya and she'll tell me.
What do you think? The girl you're rejecting me for is loyal to you. I am her friend. Do you know? How many boys are behind her?
Oh, really? You know everything. I've been with her for 3 years, and his parents probably don't know as much as I know her. So don't tell me that how much you know and how much you don't.
I'm not saying true. Before you, there were so many boys in her life, and still she has so many male friends. She does parties with them, she does clubbing, and yes, she flirts as well.
Look, it's enough now. You are crossing your limits. I'm not saying anything just because you are Riya's friend. Otherwise,
Otherwise, what? You can't take the truth. The way she made other boys fool, she will make your fool as well. And when this all will be in front of you, then you will see.
it's okay. I'll see then.
This is my card. It has no limit. Whatever you want, you can shop. And I'll pay the whole bill. Think about this. You will be so happy with me. And that you're Ria, I'm so better than her.
Are you better than Riya? Riya is a million times better than you. The most important thing about a person is her character, which you do not have. Like, you are proposing to your friend's boyfriend. You may have a lot of money, but you don't have a character. And you are trying to impress me by giving me this card. If you put the entire world's wealth on one side and Riya on the other, I'll choose Riya only.
Fine, I'll see what you will get out of this.
Peace and happiness, which everyone wants it. Everyone can earn money, but it is not necessary that everyone with money has happiness and peace in their life. Now look at yourself. You have a lot of money, but you don't have love and happiness in your life.
Who told you I'm not happy in my life?
If you were happy, you wouldn't be trying to impress someone else's
Take
boyfriend.
this water.
Riya, let's go from here, and you will never meet her again.
Something happened?
Ask your friend.
Ria, I'm so sorry. Without even telling you, I took a small test of Sanju. Test? Yes, you used to praise him a lot. Sanju is very good. He loves me a lot. He can leave anything for me. And you were saying true. He loves you a lot. He will leave the whole world. He will die, but he won't leave you. Really, yaar, I'm so happy for both of you. And Sanju, I'm so sorry. Whatever I said to you.
Who does that, man?
I know, I'm so sorry. Ria, do you know, these days people listen to anyone and break their relations. Because of some greed, they leave their partners. And do you know, about you I said so many things to Sanju. I said so bad things about you. Even I said for your character as well. But Sanju didn't hear one thing about you. And he was not ready to accept. Really, yaar, you're so lucky. Yes, I'm so lucky. Now forget your anger now. Hey, she's not like that. She was just taking your test.
If you say so, it's okay. Yes, let's go.
Let's go.